Today's topic is for loop in Python. Let's start. What is for loop? For loop is used when you are sure about how many times a loop body will be executed. It is also known as definite loop. For example, you want to print the square of the numbers given in a range. Now we will see how can we write a program in Python to print the square of the numbers given in the range. Type this program in the Python for I. What is I here? I is a variable, then in is a membership operator, and then range function. What is the use of range function? It creates a sequence of all the values between the initial value and final value. In this program, initial value is 10 and final value is 20. So it will find the square of 10 to 19. Then print I into I. When this loop will be executed first time, so what will be the value of I? Value of I is 10. So it will print 10 into 10, square of 10. Then again value of I will be incremented. Now what's the value of I? It is 11. So 11 into 11, square of 11 into 11 will be printed. Then one more value is incremented. Now value of I is 12. 12 into 12. Now square of 12 into 12 will be printed. It is 144. Similarly, again value of I will be incremented by 1. So now what's the value of I? It's 13. So print 13 into 13. Square of 13 will be printed. It is 169. In the same manner, value of I will be incremented till 19, and then square of 10 to 19 will be printed. What will be the output now? This is the output. Square of 10 into 10, then 11 into 11, 12 into 12, 13 into 13. Similarly for 14, 14 into 14, then square of 15, square of 16, square of 17, square of 18, and square of 19 is 361. What is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is a series in which each number is the sum of preceding two numbers. By default, the first two numbers of a Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. On the screen, we can see first number is 0 and second number is 1. So, what is the sum of 0 and 1? It is 1. Now, similarly, first number will be changed. जो पहले सेकंड नंबर था वो अब हमारा फर्स्ट नंबर बन गया है, और जो सम आया है वो अब हमारा सेकंड नंबर हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज़ द सम ऑफ 1 + 1? 2. Similarly, now change the first number and second number. Now, in the previous case, what was the second number? 1. And now what is the sum of previous number? 2. So 1 + 2 = 3. Similarly, we will do it till the last. So this is Fibonacci series. Now we will see how can we write program of Fibonacci series in Python. Now start the program. First, take input from the user and store that value in the variable n. So to take input from the user, we always use input function. So first you will type n = int in the bracket input, enter the label up to which the series needs to be printed. Prompt whatever you want to prompt, you can prompt that. And what is the use of int function? Int function is used to convert string into integer. So now entered value is stored in n. Next is a = 0 and b = 1. So as you know, in the Fibonacci series, first value is always 0 and second value is always b. So we have assigned 0 and 1 in the variable a and b respectively, and print similarly a and b. It means 0 and 1 is printed now. अब हमारा 0 और 1 प्रिंट हो चुका है। अब हमें आगे की सीरीज़ कंटिन्यू करनी है, कैसे प्रिंट करानी है उसके लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे फॉर लूप। ठीक है, इन द फॉर लूप I, what is I here? I is a variable, then in range. From where we will start this series now? We will start this 1 to n plus 1. Whatever number is entered by the user, we will add one number in this series, because for loop will print always n minus 1 number. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल n की वैल्यू 20 है, तो फॉर लूप कहाँ तक प्रिंट करेगा उसको? 19 तक। सो इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया, n प्लस 1 कर दिया है। तो यही क्या करेगा, जो भी वैल्यू n की आएगी वहीं तक फिबोनाची सीरीज़ को प्रिंट करेगा। नेक्स्ट इज c इक्वल टू a प्लस बी। वॉट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ a नाउ? 0 and value of b is 1. So what is the value of c now? 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So 1 will be. What is the use of print function? Print function is used to print the value of a variable or any message. Here 1 will be printed. Now 3 numbers are printed, 0, 1 and again 1. Now exchange the values of a and b. a इक्वल टू बी। अब जो पहले से b की वैल्यू थी वो हमने किसको असाइन कर दी? a को। और जो c की वैल्यू क्या होगी? जो सम आया है उसको हमने स्टोर किया b में। लाइक दिस वी कैन एक्सचेंज द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b each टाइम। अगेन मूव ऑन द लूप। व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ i नाउ? इट विल बी इंक्रीमेंटेड बाय 1. ओके, सो नाउ c equal to a plus b. Now print c and then again exchange the value. Now we will see the output. Enter the level up to which the series needs to be printed. Here we have entered 8. So Fibonacci series will be printed 8 times. First value of a is 0. Then value of b is 1. सम क्या हो गया दोनों का? 1. इसी तरह से अब a की वैल्यू क्या हो गई है? 1 और b की वैल्यू 1. सो व्हाट इज़ द सम ऑफ दिस नाउ? 2. सो इसी तरह से फिबोनाची सीरीज 8 टाइम तक प्रिंट हो जाएगी।